Okay, today we got a quick repair, well, quite a little bit annoying one. Squash by Gaelco. Someone had tried to convert it and failed. I had to patch up a ton of lines, horrible job. And it still didn't work as the conversion, so I've put it back to factory and let's fire it on. Cool, so all working fine now. Now with these, I don't recommend the conversion. It runs like shit anyway, because what the program has got to do is patch on the fly to go through these graphics chips. Notice they've got color codes on them. That's what they're programmed with. So yeah, the conversion runs like ass unless you've got the right board for the games. You're going to be running with horrendous slowdown, so you're best just leaving these as is and not messing with them. That's my advice anyway. Keep them as original as you can, and you don't have any problems. And Squash is not a bad game anyway. It's pretty good to play. So 2 players, pretty good fun. I noticed it's got this here. It's some sort of bodge resistors to fix an input. But I'll have to have a look for one of these on a scrap board, or order one in or something. I'm not sure exactly what they are. They're probably just resistor input. Well, they're your resistor packs, so I'm not sure what these actually are, but I'll have a search and replace that as well. It's probably unused anyway, or probably been plugged in backwards and they've replaced that, but it works for now, so I'm happy with that.